Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you a video how to fix for the 2019 Buick Enclave starter problems when you cannot start the vehicle. Usually when you start the vehicle, it will just turn on the ignition. You're going to be trying to start it, it will going to be throwing all the arrows up and now there's going to be a clicking sound and nothing's going to be working. The next thing we'll do is check the fuse box. Relocate the starter fuses. We start with the fuses, and if the fuses are all okay and the starter still isn't working, you have to take these ones out, disassembly them, and they have like small ticking things. You just press one in and if the sound comes from over here, the vehicle doesn't start, then you have a faulty starter. The next thing, I'm going to attach a photo and I will show you where the screws are. You just have to unscrew it. One's going to be over here and one's going to be, you have to go from down, and the other is going to be over there. The photo will attach it. If everything has been done right, the vehicle just should be starting like a normal.